Don't slip on the drill. Don't slip on the drill. Tempo, can you keep up with
this actually isn't my first time reviewing Curlsqueen hair. I reviewed them back a couple months ago, I guess, and I believe I did a quick weave before in this bathroom, and it was curly bundles. So today I have in the Clipins, these are in 24 inches. I believe this is like a yaki texture. I don't know if this is the light yaki or just regular yaki, but it's blending very well with my natural hair, you guys. I am on a healthy hair journey right now, so I hated that I had to put heat on my hair, but it definitely works. So I do have a lot of product in my hair on top of that. So my hair is very, very, very dirty, so don't judge me in this video. I had just taken out my braids to do this video with the braid down that I had, and my hair was extremely dirty. So I tried to use some dry shampoo or whatever, and it definitely worked with the oils and stuff like that, but I had to run my hair through the flat iron a couple of times, and I hated that I had to do that. But I definitely tried to make sure that I use it on a low heat. I'm just really on like this healthy hair journey, and I'm really trying to get my hair to grow thicker and stuff like that, which it's definitely thicker, you guys, and it's definitely has some length to it. So I only have in the center of my head here. This is my natural hair. It's pretty long. What I could definitely say about this hair is that it is extremely thick, you guys. So if you guys are looking for really thick clip-ins, definitely try this out, especially if you guys have, you know, natural texture hair. I'm gonna keep this in for a couple of days, so I really do like it. I think it looks really, really, really natural. And this was some goodies that came into the packaging. So basically, there's a brush in here, and a bonnet, satin bonnet, and then some additional clips just in case one may break or so, and it does have Curlsqueen logo on it. So yeah, so I have a old braid down, right? These braids need to come out, but I figured I would literally just like do this video before I take these braids out, right? Are the clip-ins. Super thick clip-ins. So I'm gonna show you guys the ends. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8. So it's 9 clip-ins. Okay, so these are supposed to be like some seamless clip-ins, you guys. So yeah. So I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see what this looks like. And it actually looks like some really good construction, because I've gotten some clip-ins that I did not like before, because some clip-ins, you guys, you would get them and the clips don't sit at the end. They like leave a little excess, and I never understood the point of that. All you do is unclip these. This is a 4. I'm gonna put the 4 in, and I'm going to clip it. Now I have a smaller head in my opinion, so I don't know if I will be able to use all of these clips, but we'll see. Okay, so that's on the back row. Here is another 4 that I'm going to put in.
Don't slip on the drill. Tempo, can you keep up with my tempo? Yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the drill. Don't slip on the drill. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blowing up, C4. C4. I just had to go crack now on my depot. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, I just caught a groove. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, yeah. Had to go right back to it, yeah. If you ain't talking my money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, yeah. I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, yeah. Hey, don't slip on the trip, no, 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 no.
4 clips left, and these are 2s. So I didn't realize I had a braid here.
Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. You keep up with my tempo, tempo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo, tempo? Yeah, blowing up C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blowing up C4. I just had to go crack now on my depot. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, I just caught a groove. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, yeah. Had to go right back to it, yeah. If you ain't talking my money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, yeah. I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, yeah. Hey, don't slip on the trip, no, 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 no. Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. You keep up with my tempo, tempo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo, tempo? Yeah, blowing up C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blowing up C4. I just had to go crack now on my depot. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, I just caught a groove. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, yeah. Had to go right back to it, yeah. If you ain't talking my money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, yeah. I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, yeah. Hey, don't slip on the trip, no, 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 no. Don't slip on the trip. Don't Don't step on the drill. Tempo, tempo. You keep up with my tempo, tempo. Don't step on the drill. Don't step on the drill. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo, tempo? Yeah, yeah, blowing up, see fall. Don't step on the drill. Don't step on the drill. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo, tempo? Yeah, yeah, blowing up, see fall. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind